Wow! Tara, manood tayo rito. Disney Plus. Wow! Special to.
Ladies and gentlemen,
you know,
we welcome you to a very special event celebrating 4 years of the Fantastic Four. And now, your host for the evening, Ted Gilbert.
Folks, we all know the story. 4 brave astronauts head up into space, encounter a bit of cosmic turbulence,
sa 60s.
Forever change, not just the molecules of their bodies,
ang kanilang back to 60s.
This is Excelsior Launch Control, T-minus 3 hours, 42 minutes, 19 seconds.
4 years ago, man and woman conquered the last frontier as we know it. The exploration of space.
The best pilot in the world right here.
Diyan nila nakuha yung power nila eh. Nagkaroon ng problema pero nagkaroon naman sila ng power. No? Yan, sige.
Comms are live. That last voice you just heard was my baby brother, Jonathan Storm. And ladies, he is very single.
Kiss for luck.
Kiss?
However, Dr. Richard's expedition encountered an unforeseen event.
Yan.
It changed not only the lives of these courageous individuals, but also the course of our history.
What is that?
I don't know. It must be the cosmic waves.
Obviously, while we were in space, due to errors on my part, we encountered a cosmic storm that
Sue Storm.
We came back with anomalies.
Kapatid niya, si Johnny Storm. At ang kaibigan ni Reed, si Ben Grimm.
They became our protectors.
Wow! Lakas na Invisible Woman. O yan, sino yan? Malakas rin, no? Grabe.
It's clobbering time!
You know? Say it! Hala. Wow. Sa Human Torch.
When the mad thinker tried to sabotage New York City, the Fantastic Four came to our rescue.
Halaga naman.
Have a great day!
Yan. Sino kalaban niya? Chimpanzee!
Ghost and his super ape.
You know? Yan. Talaga naman naging protector sila ng planet Earth, no?
They became our inspiration.
This equation not only confirms alternate dimensions, but it suggests parallel Earths exist on different
nakaka-relate ako dyan Yan, no? Mga estudyante.
Who wants to see a big explosion?
Pero ayan, no? Mas gusto nila yung ganyan.
They are the very best of us. They are
the Fantastic Four. Fantastic Four. Fantastic Four.
We love you. It's a Fantastic Four.
Let's hear it for Reed, Sue, Johnny, and Ben.
Ben, you know, Tisball. Wow. Ayan na. Papasok na. Yan, si Silver Surfer. Nakakabulong. Wow. Babae ngayon ang Silver Surfer.
The clock is ticking. We are going to find
ang amo niya, si Galactus.
Hi, Dad.
Ahan. Yan ay magandang parte dyan sa pelikula. Talagang nakalaban na sila. 4! Ayan o.
What time is it, Ben?
No.
What time is it, Ben?
No, John.
Say it!
I don't wanna.
Say it!